The wait for the ultimate smartphone is finally reaching its tipping point. We've seen the renders, we've analyzed the patents, and we've spoken to the supply chain insiders in Shenzhen and Cupertino. If you think the current iPhone is the pinnacle of technology, you are about to be proven wrong. Apple is preparing a device so advanced, so radically different in its core, that it's making the competition look like relics from a bygone era. We are talking about the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Stop what you're doing. Put down your current phone and listen closely, because what I'm about to reveal will change your entire perspective on where mobile technology is headed in 2026. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just another yearly refresh. This is the year Apple finally breaks the limits of physics, optics, and silicon. Today, we are uncovering the truth behind the 2-nanometer revolution, the death of the dynamic island as we know it, and the camera system that is officially putting DSLRs on notice. For years, critics have said Apple is playing it safe. They say the design has plateaued. They say the Pro moniker has lost its edge. But the iPhone 18 Pro Max is Apple's definitive answer to every single skeptic. This is the device that will justify the ultra rumors we've heard for years. It is the culmination of a decade of research into under-display technology and custom silicon that no other manufacturer on Earth can touch. Let's start with the absolute game-changer, the A20 Pro chip. This isn't just a faster processor, it is a historical milestone. For the first time, Apple is moving to TSMC's 2-nanometer process. In this video, we are shrinking the pathways for electrons to a level so microscopic that we are literally fighting the laws of quantum tunneling. What does this mean for you, the user? It means a 15% jump in raw performance while consuming 30% less power. This chip doesn't just run apps, it anticipates them. With a rumored 12 gigabytes of RAM as the new standard, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is built for the era of Apple Intelligence 3.0. We're talking about on-device AI that can edit your 8K video in real time, translate 40 languages locally without an internet connection, and manage your entire digital life with a Siri that finally feels human. But power is nothing if you're looking at a compromised screen. Since 2022, the dynamic island has been the center of the iPhone's identity. But in 2026, the island is shrinking dramatically. We are seeing the first successful implementation of Under-Display FaceID components. By moving the flood illuminator and the proximity sensors beneath the OLED pixels, Apple has reclaimed nearly 25% of that cutout space. The result? A display that feels almost entirely edge-to-edge. When you're watching content on that massive 6.9-inch LTPO Plus panel, the immersion is going to be unlike anything you've ever experienced. And with a peak brightness rumored to hit a staggering 3000 nits, you could use this phone in the middle of the Sahara Desert at high noon and still see every detail in perfect clarity. Now, let's talk about the reason everyone buys the Pro Max. The camera. If you're a photographer or a content creator, listen very carefully. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is reportedly debuting a mechanical variable aperture system. This is the holy grail of mobile photography. For the first time, you won't just be relying on software for portrait mode or fake bokeh. You will have a physical lens that can open and close, shifting from f/1.4